In the early days of Bitcoin, Charlie Shrem was a rising star, an ambitious entrepreneur who helped shape the cryptocurrency revolution. But in 2014, his world came crashing down when he was arrested and charged with money laundering, tied to the infamous Silk Road marketplace. From millionaire to inmate, his story is one of meteoric success, devastating downfall, and an unexpected comeback. But there's still one unanswered question that no one seems to be asking.
King Adam George Sam 32. It's on blue Maserati. I'm at Gulfstream and Ringling.
Hey, officer.
Hi, sir. I'm Officer Kennedy, Sarasota Police Department traffic unit. Just so you know, our conversation is being recorded. The reason that you're being stopped today is the use of a cell phone, and it wasn't hands-free in the construction zone. Okay? Especially where you were, because you're doing this crossover and the road's all wonky and everything. If you're distracted by using the cell phone, then you can get yourself hurt.
Yeah, you're right.
And you got people in your life that care about you and they don't want you to be hurt. I promise you that. Okay, so whatever it is, and you got a beautiful car.
You're right.
This thing is Bluetooth. I know it is.
Yeah.
So use it so you don't get yourself hurt.
I couldn't have waited 2 seconds to my office down the road to text. I'm stupid.
Yep.
I know.
And we are 100% in school zones and in construction zones that we're out here to enforce that, okay? Because we don't want the workers to get hurt, and we don't want you to get hurt, so. And when you're coming up through here, if it's a solid white line, you can't cross over. I know that you saw the big truck in front of it, and you don't want to get stuck behind all that,
Yeah.
but you got to stay in your lane. That's what that white line's for, to make sure that you stay in your lane. All right? Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah, of course.
Can I see your insurance?
Can I pull up my phone and I have a...
Sure. You still live at the drive?
Yes.
All right. 2 of 22, okay. On the Maserati. All right, give me just a minute. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Thank you so much.
You got all sorts of room. Sir, I didn't even pay attention. Why is your tag expired from 2020?
I haven't gotten it renewed. I just don't drive the car as much, and I should get it renewed.
Okay. Well, it's 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sit tight.
Thank you.
There's your license back. So what's happening today is you're receiving a citation for prohibited use of wireless communication device handheld in a work zone, first offense. Okay. Then you're receiving a citation for your tag being expired by 2 years. And then I'm just giving you a warning on the improper lane change through the construction zone there. Just, if there's a solid line, don't cross over, okay? With the moving violation, the cell phone, you have 30 days. You can either prepay, you can request a court date if you want to contest this, or you can do the online driver safety course. That keeps any points from going against your license. On the tag, obviously you got to get it taken care of, and you have the option of either prepaying or requesting a court date.
Okay.
The green sheet is the clerk's office payment sheet. It has their web address right here that you can make payment at, plus all the options I've described to you there.
Okay.
You have any questions for me? Just remember that you're important, that everyone else around you is important, and you don't want to get yourself or anybody else hurt, okay?
I know, my complacency is the worst part.
Well, I appreciate your cooperation and understanding. I hope that you live a long life and take care of yourself.
He built a crypto empire, lost everything, and served his time, only to rise from the ashes and reclaim his place in the industry. Lawsuits, prison, and redemption have all shaped his legacy. But after everything he's been through, why hasn't he registered his car?